Hello everyone. What if I told you that you're probably using only 10% of what NotebookLM's presentation generator can do? Because with the right prompts, NotebookLM can create presentations that look less like standard AI slide decks and more like professionally designed presentations you'd happily present to a client, a conference audience, or your executive team. Just look at these examples, and the crazy part, every single one of them was generated inside NotebookLM. Today I'm going to show you a completely free resource packed with professionally crafted prompts that can transform the look and feel of your NotebookLM presentations in minutes and help you create slides that look like they were designed by a professional. All you need to do is copy a prompt, paste it into NotebookLM, and generate your slides. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find these prompts, how to use them, and which styles are worth trying first. So let's get started. So let's go to NotebookLM. I've already uploaded my source material and created a notebook. Now I'm going to head over to Studio, and here you'll see the slide deck. Now most people will just click on it and generate their slides, but there's one feature that completely changes what's possible. This little arrow, clicking it opens up the custom instructions section, and this is where the magic happens. Because instead of letting NotebookLM decide how your presentation should look, you can give it detailed design instructions, not just colors or fonts, but an entire design system, the layout, the typography, the visual style, the spacing, the overall presentation aesthetic. So how do you actually get NotebookLM to create presentations like the ones I showed you at the start of this video? Well, that's where this comes in. I recently came across a completely free resource that contains professionally designed presentation styles. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you can try it yourself. So once you're on the page, you can see that it is a whole library of NotebookLM templates, and these prompts have been tested and refined by researchers and founders and designers and people who create presentations regularly. What I love about this is that it isn't just one style, it's an entire library of design systems. You've got modern newspaper layouts, executive briefing decks, magazine style presentations, creative agency designs, premium product launch presentations, sports style high energy slide decks, and more. And every single one comes with a ready-made prompt. So let's try one of these styles. I'm going to start with the sharp-edged minimalism, and I'm going to come over here below it where I can see the full prompt. And what I'm going to do is click copy, then head back into NotebookLM, click on the arrow beside the slide deck generator and paste in the prompt in the box under where it says describe the slide deck you want to create, and hit generate. That's it. Now, while NotebookLM is creating the presentation, it's taking all of the information from my source material and combining it with the design instructions we just copied. In other words, the content comes from your notebook, but the presentation style comes from the prompt, and here's the result. Immediately you can see the difference. The headlines are much larger and the layout feels more editorial. There's far more white space and the presentation has a much stronger visual identity. Let's scroll through a few slides. Notice how each slide focuses on a single key idea. The typography is doing a lot of the heavy lifting. Honestly, if you showed me this without any context, I wouldn't immediately assume it came from NotebookLM. Okay, now let's try a different style. This time I'm going to use the modern newspaper design. I'll come back to the repository, find the modern newspaper section, and again, if I scroll down, I can see the full prompt underneath. All I need to do is click copy, head back into NotebookLM, open the slide deck generator, click the arrow, add your prompt here in the box. Now make sure you also add here, use only English writing, no Japanese characters, and hit generate. And here's the result. It feels much more like an editorial publication. Just look at the way the key ideas are presented. The important concepts jump off the page, while everything else takes a supporting role. We have bold typography to draw your attention to the most important points. The large numbers become part of the design itself, and the overall slides are stunning. So a few minutes ago, we started with a standard notebook, and by simply changing the prompt in the slide deck, we were able to generate presentations with completely different visual styles and personalities. Whether you prefer editorial layouts, executive style presentations, magazine inspired designs, or something a little more creative, you can find designs that will transform your standard NotebookLM slide deck. So I hope you found this video useful, and see you in the next one.